Anyone else wishing to speak in opposition to the bill?
My name is Joe Higgs. I'm the superintendent at Rappahannock Regional Jail. You've heard several testimony here today, some of it very inflammatory. And I can't comment on certain issues that were presented to you for facts because I'm on notice of pending litigation on those issues. It's unfortunate that some of the information that was provided to you simply isn't true. And it was never verified by the author of that information to come to my facility and interview, which they're welcome to do, any of the inmates or females there. I have policy and procedure in place that does not allow for any female to be shackled, as you call it. We call them restraints. Shackling is the old ball and chain terminology and is inflammatory in itself. But my policy does not allow for females to be restrained during delivery and labor. They are handcuffed in front as they go through and outside the facility. As they're put on a gurney in the rescue unit, the handcuffs are removed until they get up to the hospital and taken into where they're going. So I know that the Virginia Association of Regional Jail Superintendents, I'm one of 21 of those, I just heard took a no position on it. I'm opposed to the bill in the sense that it's taking away or mandating law, Mr. Chairman, where it should be policy and procedure. Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Anyone else wishing to speak against the bill? All right. Questions from the panel?
This is very important I mention, Mr. Chairman and members of the committee. Mrs. Walker, will you come forward, please? What was presented to you just now, she has got emails of evidence where she's given to Mr. Higgs. No,
this is not a court of law.
No, I understand that. But he was trying to discredit her testimony. She brought with her emails to the superintendent of Rappahannock, communicated with him, and what he stated is not true. She's got the documentation, and anybody in the news or anybody else would like to see this, we've got the documentation with her, and please look at it today, because they've already said about the least restraints. They talk about policy. They've had that policy for years, and guess what? It means zero. Policy doesn't work, and it's proven. They said the least restrictive means. Let's get a law passed. Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much.